Hey guys, it's Mookie and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be surprising my husband with his favorite brand. If you know him, you already know that he is the biggest Drake fan, and a few weeks ago he was looking at some shirts and they happen to be sold out, but little does he know I already got them. So yeah, so just unbox this with us, and not too much on my hair. It's hair week, okay? Alright guys, let me go grab my hubby and get this reaction. Hey, come here.
Yeah, hold on. Give me a minute quick. All right. What you got going on?
So I have a surprise for you.
Yeah, give me a minute. Say what?
So you know how our anniversary is coming up?
Yeah, right.
I got you a surprise. I know you think these packages were for me, but they were really for you.
That whole time was sitting there?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it?
Oh, open it. I want to go ahead and give it to you now because I feel like you might want to wear it to the Chris Brown concert. Oh.
Well, I told you, the shirts I had worn, that was,
Well, I think you might like these.
I ain't sweat it. If ain't no OVO shirt, really, man, I don't want to know spoon what they were. I ain't gonna tell. Bruh, no you didn't. Oh, what? It two?
Two for you.
Bruh. How you even, it was sold out.
Well.
Got me both of them? Oh my God, bro.
I'm gonna cut the camera because I want him to try them on and y'all can't see them yet.
What?